Bluey is sick. It was a pleasant morning, but Bluey started to feel unwell. Bingo realized Bluey wasn't as well as she had been earlier. It seems like Bluey has a cold. A little rest will help Bluey feel better. Bandit prepared warm water for Bluey to drink. Let out a loud sneeze. Taking medicine and getting some rest is essential. Bingo stayed to take care of his sister. A good night's sleep helps the body recover. After resting, Bluey recovered. The two sisters continued to play, but perhaps Bluey still needed a little more rest.
Bandit's father has a noble mission to take a family photo to send to Nana. It sounds simple enough. First, begin the process of adjusting the camera angle.
Come on, let's go!
Ooh, yes!
But working with children is like trying to stack water balloons. Nothing stays still.
Huh?
Hey! Hey!
The blue healer's concentration is legendary, unless a butterfly is flying by.
Oh!
It seems like the father is feeling quite helpless. What a happy family! Okay, it looks like everything will go smoothly. Bluey and Bingo have agreed to cooperate. They say photography is the art of arrangement, and sometimes art is a spectacular accident. It all started very normally. Today they both played soccer in the garden. It looks like Bingo's about to shoot a beautiful shot. Oh no, that's too strong. The ball rolled under the seat. What is this? Oh, that's a hat. Something fell down. An old and mysterious map. It seems like Bingo has discovered something. Is the treasure in this garden? The location where the first treasure was found. This is the right place. They both started digging. Wow! First treasure. Imperial Citadel, first point. Next, let's go together to the location marked with the second treasure. Is this the second location? This time, Bluey volunteered to search for the treasure. Wow, Bluey found it so quickly. Let's see what's inside this wooden box. That's amazing! It's truly a treasure chest overflowing with treasure.
Bluey discovers a very strange-looking treasure box. The box seems to require specific items to open. Not all items will do. Bingo and Bluey begin trying to assemble the boxes correctly. The items are selected more carefully. The box begins to react. The treasure finally appears. The treasure only opens when everything is put together correctly.
The journey of the red ball. On a beautiful day at the Healer House, Bluey and Bingo were feeling down because they had no toys. Suddenly, a red balloon appeared. And so the chase began. Passing through the lush green park. Be careful, jump high. Oh, what a mischievous breeze. They had travelled a long distance, all the way to the windy beach. We need a bit of teamwork. Amazing! The two sisters did it. A small adventure, but the fun was immense. See you again.
Aha!
One fine day, the family decided to wash their beloved car. When you're too excited, things can easily become excessive.
Oh!
Doing things the right way makes the job easier. Saving money is part of caring for the environment. Safety is always paramount.
Aha!
It's okay to make a small mistake, as long as you know how to correct it. Being tidy helps things finish faster. When working together, the joy always outweighs the fatigue.
Uninvited guest.
The two fighters are in a meditative state, but wait, their radar has detected a target. Target landed, right in the forbidden zone, the wet nose. The whirlwind tactic failed. The intruders redirected their attack towards Mother. A passive attempt at shaking off attention. The ears are working at full capacity. They both decided to work together. Oh no! Serious traffic accident at the intersection. They decided to escalate the tension. The Clap with the Meatball campaign was activated. Is the war over or not? It seems this uninvited guest is still very stubborn. Sometimes before doing anything, both parties should discuss a plan beforehand. That was a perfect catch. Great job, Bluey. After all their efforts, the mother and daughter finally won against this uninvited guest. The mystery of the missing sock. One morning, Bluey was in big trouble. Her lucky sock had disappeared. Bingo decided to ask his dad.
Oh.
Dad, have you seen Bluey's socks? Dad Bandit thought for a moment, then shook his head, saying he didn't know. Bluey ran straight into the kitchen. Mum, have you seen my sock? Chili's mum shook her head, not knowing where the sock was either. Dad and Mum went out to the backyard to help, and lo and behold, Mum Chili had discovered something. Aha! It turns out the wind blew it onto the clothesline. Dad Bandit has caught the hide-and-seeker. Bluey is overjoyed to get her lucky sock back. The Healer family always helps each other out like that. See you next time. The Dad Bot. Gardening, the #1 enemy of happy weekends. But wait, this isn't Dad. This is the latest generation of robotic cleaners. The system has started up. Hello, Robot Dad 3000. Excellent navigation, although the steering system seems a little dizzying. Super speed mode. Watch the machine run at maximum power. Freeze. A useful feature when you need to count the robot's nose hairs. Warning, warning, system overloaded. Robots are doing disastrous disco dances. Oh no, the energy has run out. The giant machine is slowly shutting down. But wait, this isn't Dad. This is the latest generation of robotic cleaners. And so the gardening isn't finished yet. See you next week.
Today, the whole family decided to bake a cake. But things didn't go exactly as planned.
Oh.
Bandit tried to adjust the cake. Huh? The more he adjusted, the more misshapen it became.
Whoa!
The cake was put in the oven with high hopes. And then the cake started to take on a very strange shape. The cake wasn't pretty, but it was fun. Most importantly, it was the fun of making it together.
The case of the broken vase. 3 p.m. A loud crash echoed through the living room. The scene, a vase shattered into pieces. And here are the only 3 suspects. Suspect number 1, Bluey, trying to appear innocent by whistling. Suspect number 2, Bingo. He looks innocent, but his actions don't. Suspect number 3, Rocky. Did he just laugh? Or was that a sign of extreme panic? The psychology of reptiles is truly unpredictable. Look at Bingo. The tension is escalating. She can't stand the pressure of the silence of justice. A double betrayal. Bluey is trying to rectify her sister's mistake. Will their sisterly bond be shattered in front of the judge? Even Rocky refused to admit he was the culprit. Even a small motive can stir up guilty hearts. Clearly, all three are hiding a shocking secret. The detective is presenting the final piece of evidence, a mud-covered tennis ball lying among the debris. The case is closed. The punishment for the defendants: clean up the battlefield and no TV tonight.
Giant pumpkins in the garden. One morning in the small garden, Bluey and Bingo both collected pumpkins together. The pumpkins looked very small, but Bluey still decided to take them. There were lots of pumpkins in the garden. This time it was a bigger one, a perfect fit for the basket Bluey was carrying. Come on, girls, you'll get it out. Ah, well done. Anything we can't do alone, we do together. Wow, what is that? It looks huge.
Whoa!
Come on, Bluey, open it up and see what it is. And then a giant pumpkin appeared. A pumpkin bigger than all the other pumpkins. But it's too heavy. You two try to hold it down. Oh wow, the pumpkin is starting to roll. A chase between the two sisters Bingo, Bluey, and the pumpkin. Bingo seems to be thoroughly enjoying this chase. It finally stopped. That was intense.
Whoa!
It was a wonderful harvest day, but this is the biggest pumpkin in the garden. It won't fit in the basket. The wind blew through the garden. A wonderful discovery and a successful harvest day.
Yahoo!
Paperman team. Welcome back to the secret base, bathroom. Today, Bluey and Bingo have a super difficult challenge. Transform into the Paperman squad.
Wow!
Bingo is in position. She's about to step into the transforming machine. Are you ready? Bluey's design team is getting to work. Each pristine white sheet of paper is forming a super armor suit. Wow, that looks so professional.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness, a technical glitch. The roll of paper is flying everywhere. Both sisters are stuck in this mess. It's impossible to untangle, and the more you try, the more tangled it gets. Look, now they look more like two giant snowballs than superheroes. Come on, guys. Target spotted. It's Dad Bandit. Get ready to activate Super Scare Mode. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Ha ha ha! Dad was so scared. Mission to scare him was a resounding success. Yeah. But wait. The final boss, Mother Chili, has appeared. Oh no, who's going to clean up this mess now?
Fly a kite in the wind. A windy afternoon in the garden. Bluey brought a kite with her. Today is the perfect day to fly a kite. That's right. If you have a kite, you need a string. Bingo is so clever. Now reattach the string to the kite before launching it into the blue sky. Okay, let's fly the kite up into the sky and pull it up. Come on, try to pull the kite as high as possible. It was windless at midday, so both of them had to use their strength. But there's a limit to one's strength, and after a long run, both of them were exhausted. Oh wow, the wind's picking up. Hey sisters, let's fly our kites again. That's great, the kite is flying. And so the windy day came to an end.
The shadow. On a rare quiet afternoon, Queen Chili began her territorial patrol. But she wasn't alone. She had a small shadow following her.
Hola.
This shadow is a bit clumsy. Oh, but very persistent. Next challenge, the dangerous corridor. The Queen decided to switch to spy mode. The stealthy style of the shadow is truly unique.
Oh.
And the reward for the world's most persistent shadow is...
Woohoo! Yippee! Whoa!
A perfectly sweet moment. A lightning-fast cleanup in 2 minutes. Only minutes left. Mom and Dad are almost home, but the living room looks like a toy battlefield. The race against time begins. Bluey is in command. Bingo is executing. Not a single piece is allowed to be out of place. Bingo tried her best with her little hands. A slight misstep didn't discourage her because Bluey was right behind her, providing support. Everyone had a task. Some took care of the upper floors, others cleaned the lower ones. The pace of cleaning the Healer house had never been so frantic. This is the hardest part. 1, 2, 3. A fantastic teamwork between the two sisters. Almost done. Bluey is using its versatile tail, while Bingo is meticulously smoothing out each thread on the carpet. The door opened. A spotless room and 2 radiant smiles. The lightning-fast cleaning mission, a resounding success. Stone statue game. Welcome to the Stone Statue Challenge. Whoever moves first loses. Patience is beginning to be tested. An obstacle has appeared. Bingo seems to be trying very hard to hold back his laughter. Did Bluey just cheat? No, that's a technique. Second obstacle. This time it was Bluey's turn to suppress her laughter. Wow, the eyebrow control technique is truly skillful. A sneeze is coming to Bingo. It's that same fly again. Bingo has moved. An obstacle has appeared. The first match ended in a draw. Let's start with the second round. This time, both of them chose the challenge of sitting. And it seems like both of them are very focused and there won't be any challenges. Oh, it's time for dinner. The Healer sisters' amazing connection. The victory belongs to both sides.
Character selection screen. Welcome, players. Please choose your warrior companion for this adventure. You would choose agility, playfulness, and boundless energy. Or maturity, composure, and shrewdness? The decision is yours. Jungle mode is activated. Jungle mode is activated for adventurers. A great choice for adventurers. Or reach for the stars in space mode. Any shop is ready.
Whoa! Yay!
What are the players doing? Please don't spam the selection button. The system is overloaded. Warning, interface error. Interface error. Characters are experiencing localized dizziness. Forget it, just choose both. Press start to begin the game.
It's past bedtime, but Bluey and Bingo are participating in an important challenge. Whoever falls asleep first loses. Bingo's eyes are getting heavier, as heavy as if he were wearing stones.
Oh.
Oh no, yawning is contagious, the most dangerous enemy of sleep. Just a quick nap for just 1 second. Ouch! Wake up! Gravity is winning. The little heads can no longer lift up. Okay then, maybe a soft fluffy pillow would help right now.
Oh. Huh?
The competition is over. It's a tie. Good night, angels. A peaceful morning begins.
Huh? Aha!
Okay.
A short trip is about to begin. Today, all three of us went to the park to play. We've arrived. The air seems really fresh today.
Oh.
Yes.
Huh?
Just a small rug. The three of them have found their father's whereabouts. Wow, that's so much food. Look, Bluey and Bingo seem to be putting their appetites aside. Dad started dividing the food. Bingo, a sandwich. Next up is Bluey, which is a cake.
Aha!
Bingo is really enjoying his delicious sandwich. Bluey is also enjoying her cake. Dad seems very happy. It seems like Bluey is remembering something. Surprisingly, that's excellent technique. Bluey wants Bingo to play soccer with him. They both had a lot of fun playing together. Oh, it's already afternoon. Dad has already called both of them home. In the wilderness of the suburbs, food is scarce, and this is the ultimate goal, the legendary chocolate cookie. But wait! The clumsy father had forgotten a terrifying obstacle, the tiny guards, with eyes that could see through every lie. Plan A failed, but this hound wasn't going to give up easily. He needed a new tactic, a tactic called distraction. Oh no, the little guard has an iron will. Ordinary temptations cannot sway him. The father is forced to resort to drastic measures. The disguise was perfect, almost perfect, until fate intervened with a mournful cry.
Huh?
The battle is over. The predator has won. But he now faces his opponent's ultimate weapon, the melting gaze. Yes, in this world, sharing the spoils is sometimes sweeter than hogging them all. A happy ending for both sides.
The Lost Paper Airplane. One beautiful morning, Bluey and Bingo decided to create some amazing airplanes. Bluey loves speed while Bingo prefers smooth flights. Everything is ready to go.
Let's go!
Whoosh! Bluey's plane flew higher than expected, but it seems it chose a rather difficult landing spot.
Oh!
Oh no, it's stuck. How do we get the green pilot down here? The power of sisterhood has been activated, but this tree still seems to be growing very tall. Perfect throw! Bingo is truly a brilliant strategist. Sometimes the rescue mission itself is more rewarding than watching it fly. Finally, the flight crew was reunited. The backyard sky was once again filled with laughter.
The Talented Magician. Welcome to the Magnificent Magic Show by Magician Bluey.
Huh?
The audience is very anxious. Oh, a ball is flying out.
Wow!
Meanwhile, backstage, Bingo's assistant was preparing for the biggest performance yet.
Huh?
Yeah!
Dad Bandit is ready. Can Bluey turn the empty hat into a miracle? A behind-the-scenes story is unfolding behind the hat. Ta-da! Not a rabbit, but a bingo. Dad seemed very surprised by the performance. He went closer to see if the bingo was real. Surprisingly, this performance was very convincing to the father. What a fantastic performance! Thank you to the audience for watching. See you at the next show!
On a lazy Sunday afternoon, the Healer family was enjoying a rare moment of peace. But peace is often very fragile when a red balloon appears. It seems Bingo wants his dad to play along. Oh no, disaster has struck. Gravity has lost to helium. The little girl seemed sad because the balloon flew away. Look, Dad is getting ready to catch the balloon. Oh no, Dad missed. That missed catch seems to have hurt a little. A powerful jump, but technically flawed, and the ball found its way to freedom. The target is now at a strategic height. A new operational plan is needed. Oh, that's a great idea. Bluey came up with the idea of using a racket to retrieve the ball. But in this family, tragedy always accompanies comedy. The racket is too short to reach the flying ball. Oh, Mom has joined the balloon rescue. Will they succeed in getting the balloon this time? Yay! We succeeded! Mission accomplished. Family happiness remains intact. Donut mission. This is the last donut. And here are two experts at handling sweets,
Wow.
Bluey and Bingo. Approaching the target, stealthily, the agents are calculating their trajectory. But wait, Chief Rhino is patrolling the living room area. We've been found. Find a place to hide. Officer Rhino is a seasoned investigator. Nothing escapes his notice. The suspect is on the run. The chase begins. The speed is dizzying. Bluey and Bingo are running at a considerable pace, but the police officer is not lagging behind. It's a dead end. Bluey and Bingo have been cornered. It's time to hand over the evidence. The law always prevails. Oh, his stomach is rumbling louder than a police siren. It seems the policeman is starving too. A sweet truce was established. The case is closed. Everyone is happy and everyone is full. Reluctant diners. At Chef Bingo's 5-star restaurant, a very hungry guest was waiting. The head chef introduced today's special menu. Customer Bandit chose the most expensive dish. The head chef entered his kitchen, but it seems there's a height limit. But there's always a way to do what you want to do. Chef Bingo has begun preparing the dish. Ta-da! And here's the main course, whole green chili salad. The guest seemed a little upset because he doesn't like eating vegetables. Absolutely delicious. Chef Bingo has once again won over even the most discerning diners. Dad's hearty, fibre-rich meal was fantastic. Thanks, Chef Bingo. The Master Blueberry Hunter. Everything was ready for a perfect breakfast, except for one crucial thing. Where did the blueberries go? The Healer Detective team is officially on the lookout. The target, the mysterious blueberry bush in the backyard. Shh! Be very quiet. We don't want to startle the blueberries and make them run away. Look, the garden's blue diamonds have appeared. Dad started harvesting. Bingo learns very quickly and is also starting to reap the rewards. The harvest began at a steady and rapid pace. Done it! You two did a great job. Let's start decorating the cake. Mission accomplished. The best breakfast is the one you hunt for yourself. Congratulations to father and son.